On June 30th, 2025, officers responded to Southwest Florida International Airport after receiving reports of an intoxicated passenger causing a disturbance.
Going on. So the lady came on stumbling. She's slurring her words. She couldn't walk straight down the aisle.
Yeah. You guys want her off?
About a place. With the crew and the captain want her off.
Where's the captain?
We're going to do witness statements and everything else. And if she's going to cause an issue, you're going to be good with deporting the plane, getting everybody off?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to speak
to
to
make sure. Where is she sitting at?
Right where the agent is talking. The captain thought he'd like to speak to you.
How you doing, Captain? So you want her off the airplane?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you able to go down there and tell her? We'll be right with you. You have to tell her first, and then after that, if she refuses, you can arrest her for trespassing.
I don't know. I don't think she's pretty safe. I mean, she knows. I didn't see her stumble on. I witnessed her stumble. That's what I'm saying. And she gave me a nasty attitude. So now we're not comfortable. That's what I'm saying. If you're not comfortable, then that's what it is. Because I'm saying, like, to me, I don't think she's that. Like, maybe she took medication. Maybe there's reasons. She's perfectly fine talking to me, and I get, now she feels like everybody wants her off.
Well, everybody does.
So then that's it. That she's refusing to come off. And
Why was it an issue to begin with? Just so I have a story.
when she was here boarding on the lead flight attendant, she's boarding. She's standing there holding onto the door there, and then stumbles on to get into the aircraft.
Nice.
Then stumbles down there. When I asked her if she was okay, she gave me an attitude about it. And when I asked her where she was seated, she did not want to answer.
So is it alcohol or is it a medical condition? Do we know?
I don't know specifically. I don't really smell alcohol on her.
can't walk.
But she cannot.
Right. It could be a medical condition.
That's okay. It could be medical because she is speaking to me clear as day. She feels it's a.
Well, we can't now.
No, I know. I don't.
Yeah, it's
Now
a
it's a
whole
new
thing.
thing,
Now it's a
yeah.
whole thing.
Okay, so.
So we need to take her off and rebook her. Okay, and then
Maybe if the officer goes on and ask her to come quietly. If not, then we're gonna have to play the whole aircraft.
It's an either or.
Yes, if you want to try 24
But you guys don't want her
No.
regardless.
Captain has refused her travel.
All right, Captain, let's head down there.
Yeah. Well, captain's refused her travel. I mean, it's just
she got
yeah, but I
What's the
No,
issue?
but 24 hours.
Right now, the captain's kind of having a mixed feeling. Like, watch this. It's going to piss you off.
To the left. She's by herself.
Here we go. Here we go.
You can see she calls herself a sovereign citizen, and like you see, they always disrupt the system for nothing. Like, watch what she does here. It's going to make you feel like eating her up. Like, watch this.
How you doing, ma'am?
Hello.
So this is the captain of the aircraft. He's requesting you off.
Babe, did I do something? Like, what is going on? I have never in my life experienced something like this. And as soon as I came on this plane, people were telling me to get off it. I'm not drunk. I'm not belligerent. I'm not nothing. And people are telling me to get off this plane, and then you have the whole audience.
Right, that's not the
bullying me.
perception that everyone else has.
Right, but
The
what
flight
did I do?
attendants are not comfortable. They're not
No,
comfortable with-
there was one flight attendant that said something to me, but what personally did I do? I've never been attacked to this magnitude.
She feels that you're under some kind of influence.
Do you feel
She's
like
not
I'm-
comfortable with you riding on the aircraft. So if
Babe,
you go
am
back
I
and-
making
if
you
go back-
uncomfortable when I'm
I
talking
can
to
only
you?
go by what the flight attendants.
But I'm really being harassed and nobody's standing up for me, and it's so sad.
No one's harassing you.
No,
but they're gonna put you
I am being harassed because never in my life have I boarded a flight and people are telling me like, oh, you can't be on the flight because what am I doing? I've literally
Okay,
raise
ma'am.
your hand if I did
No,
something
ma'am.
to offend you.
Ma'am, at this point, you have to come off the aircraft.
Like I literally did nothing
Ma'am, this
to
isn't for
anyone.
ma'am, this
And
isn't up for
here's
this isn't up for discussion.
Literally.
You have to get off the plane. It's either you get off or we're going to deboard the whole aircraft.
What did I do?
I don't want to cause it.
At this moment, you guys can be thinking like the flight attendant or the pilot is wrong. Let me make one thing clear here. The pilot is there to pilot the plane, right? But when the flight attendant tells the pilot, hey, there's a passenger disturbing or causing traffic or something in the plane, The pilot has the right to tell the passenger to go down, you understand? Because the flight attendant is the one giving the remarks about the entire plane, the people in the plane, and stuff like that. Like, if you can come tell me she's disturbing, I have the right to tell you to go down, you understand? So you don't have to blame the pilot here or stuff like this. Like, watch this.
What did I do?
I just need you to come with me.
You don't understand what that takes of a woman of color?
Just come with me and we'll discuss it off the plane. So do you have a carry-on bag?
You don't understand what
I
that
do
does
understand.
to a woman of
I'm
color?
trying, no.
You're making me
No.
get off a flight because I did nothing.
I'm sorry.
I walked this line.
Ma'am.
And
If
sat
I
in my
cannot
seat
control
like
you on the
everyone
ground, they cannot control you in the air.
What's happening?
Okay, I need your bag.
You have to come off. They're going to revoke you.
If you don't come off, everybody's coming up.
Yeah.
It's not fair to the rest of the customers.
not
Everybody
happening.
wants to go.
It's
Just
fine.
come with me and we'll fix everything
Everybody's
up
just
there.
so mad and they don't want to
Miss,
have
come
to
on.
come off.
I'll carry your bag for you. Let me take your bag from you and I'll carry
It's
it
just
for you.
up that you guys do this to a woman of color.
It's not anything to do with anything like
So
that.
why am I here?
Because you're out of control at this moment and we need
What
to go.
did I do that was out of
That's it.
control?
Oh, we're going to go now.
Can anyone
Ma'am, come on.
here tell me
You know what?
Either you're going to
I'm
come.
setting the other customers. Okay, this is it. I'm not done. I'm done with this. Let's go.
I haven't disrespected
You
anyone.
actually are disrespecting a whole aircraft. So
I haven't
please,
called
let's go.
anyone
We're not arguing with you.
I haven't
Okay, that's it.
disrespected anyone. It's just so disrespectful that you guys you treat people of color like this because I don't.
You are triggering the other customers. Let me
I never
We're
in
going to
my
deplane.
life.
All right, that's it. We're going to deplane the whole plane. So it's your fault. Let's go.
So deplane it.
All right.
So deplane it.
Let's go. Okay.
Didn't stand up for me.
Come on.
Let's go. Let's go.
Ma'am.
Okay, that's it. All right, let's go. This is the rest of her stuff.
That's not
We need
my
to
Take that up there.
This isn't yours? Okay, so this is somebody else's.
Just go take that up there.
Okay. All right, I'll take it. I'll get you some tissue.
person wouldn't have told you. That's fine. Like, you guys are delusional.
You're just making it worse for yourself.
But what did I do? I
So, ma'am.
literally just walked on a plane. You
This
haven't heard me say a peep.
So, ma'am,
And
at this
I'm
point in
being
time,
antagonized.
listen. Are you gonna listen to me? All right. So they're a private business. They could deny you boarding. They're going
But
to
what did I
listen.
do?
They're going to repeat.
Has anybody here
Ma'am.
heard me do anything?
Okay.
You
So
keep shaking. No, I never said that before her, but the girl directly in front of me keeps
having
shaking
people.
her head, and I never said anything. I'm gonna get off this plane because.
go.
But you guys are weird
Come on,
and
this way.
privileged,
Go
and
that way. Let's go.
you go that way.
No, you go. Let's
You're
go.
disrespecting me like
Ma'am,
I did
come
something
on,
wrong.
let's go.
Please don't touch me.
Let's go. You're gonna be
Please
arrested
don't
for
touch me.
trespassing after. Come on.
Trespassing on a
Go
flight.
that way.
You're putting your hands on
Turn
me.
around. Let's go.
How dare you?
Go. All right.
Please let me go.
Go.
I'm not a
Come on.
criminal. Let me go. What is wrong with you guys? I literally didn't do anything. You guys are putting your hands on me. You're violating so many civil rights, and you guys are just watching it. Goodbye, guys. I'm not drunk. I don't drink. Thank you.
We can do it. We're not going to go to travel, so you can take her off security.
Go. Go that way. There you go.
Please put your hands off me.
Ma'am. Go.
Get your hands off
No.
me. Get your hands off me. What? What the? What the happening? You guys are just letting this happen? Why are you grabbing me up like this?
What's your name?
What is happening? Why are you grabbing me up like this? I didn't cause any. What is happening? You let this happen? Black woman? What? Why are you grabbing me?
A quick question here. Do you know in the state here, like us in the United States, do you know the law we study here? What law do we practice here? Is it civil law or common law? Like, leave it down in the comment section below.
Me up. Why did you just do that?
You got her?
Yo, you just manhandled a woman for what is happening? I'm not even moving.
She's actually seen on the plane.
I'm literally not even moving. You okay with this? Why is you grabbing me so much?
You're literally urinating on the floor. That's not normal.
I'm not urinating.
You actually did.
Come on, let's go.
I didn't. All right,
You're
let's go.
actually going. Goodbye. Wait. Where's 3-1? I don't
You
want to
guys are grabbing me up. I've never been grabbed up by police officers in my
You're out of
life.
control. You should
yourself.
Babe,
Really
they just
okay.
grabbed me up.
They did not just grab you. It's videotaped. So you can
videotape. They grabbed me up.
They did not.
No, you
And that
grab all that.
probably
You
made
wouldn't
your
hear
right
it.
a
No.
Just grab all that.
It could be whatever you're asking.
What is wrong with you? No, this is the most disgusting thing I ever dealt with in
You could see just from things like this shows she's not normal. Like, how can you be being caught by the police and now you're urinating on your dresses in public and you're being videotaped and stuff like that? You have to obey first before you try to complain. I've said this several times on this channel. You should not try to prove to the police that you're tough. If your father is a governor, whosoever, always listen. Follow instructions first. That is the mistake most of us always do.
my life. You're telling me I peed a little?
You just peed on the
It's
floor.
right
If I
there.
peed, it's because 3 officers just grabbed me.
Turn that way, please.
It's not.
Why are you guys treating me so bad? Like I'm a criminal or something. What's wrong with y'all?
He's coming to intercept.
Yo, I wasn't even belligerent on my flight, and you guys are treating me like I'm the worst thing in the world.
Sorry, it's 24 offshore rooms. 25, right? Any of our boarding gets
I'm
together.
just gonna stop talking because I don't care about what I'm saying. Really not a lot going on in Venezuela or whatever.
Don't step in it. You don't want to.
I peed a little because 4 officers just grabbed
They
me
did not
up.
grab you.
They did grab me up. You're
So we're off. Let's go.
She's
She's gonna
gonna
yell
be
if this comes out. You guys can take her up there.
Who are you?
We're good. We're good. We're good.
Stop.
That's enough.
No, but you guys just grabbed the out of me because
You just hit an officer.
I never hit
I
an officer.
heard you hit the officer.
I
Plus,
swear
I saw you.
On my life,
Okay.
I never hit an officer. I
You're just
never
lying,
in my. Are you serious?
Real serious.
I hope it's on your body cam.
You're right.
I hope and pray it's on your body cam because I know 1000% I didn't hit anybody. I moved, but I hit an officer, right? You guys are crazy. Wow. The way you treat anybody of a little color skin is crazy. Wow. Never in my life have I experienced something like this.
Wow, she's talking so remorseful. Because she's a sovereign citizen and stuff like this, it doesn't give her the right. And now she's taking now for something to be erasing something or stuff like, wow, she really feels so bad. But the law doesn't have to deal with emotions and stuff like that. The law has to be the law for it to be maintained. You understand?
Wow. But where's my phone? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, officer. Where's my phone?
It's all in your bag.
I don't think it's in
The sergeant put it all in your bag.
Can you open my bag?
It's not. It's in that one. The sergeant put it over there.
You saw him do it?
Her. It was her right here.
Her, you saw her do it?
She did it right in her bag, right?
All of them, and I can get the same.
Okay, take your air sign.
That was like insane. I've never in my
All
life
right, come on.
experienced something.
We're gonna go out this way. We're gonna go this way.
And then what?
We're gonna bring you to the station.
So I'm going to a police station?
Yes.
For what? So
Come on, let's go.
I have to.
Gotta watch yourself. Let's go. Come on.
This is insane. Never in my life have I experienced something like this.
Get in.
Come on, count it up. Open.
Hold on. You got gloves in your car?
Am I being arrested?
Yeah.
For what?
Just push up against the car for me.
Over here, hold 20 minutes.
That's a abuse teacher. Y'all
All right,
arrested
do me a favor and face the car, please. Do you have anything on me that's going to poke me?
No.
Okay, I got to ask. It's normal
I would-
procedures.
I don't know what's happening. What the?
So as you can see, she was being taken to jail, being taught the ways to do things and stuff like this. Because we always see this happening. People always resisting arrest and stuff like that. She had to pay charges for hitting the police officer one. She had to be taught you need to follow the law before obstructing or trying to disobey. Next time in the airport, she was being taught again not to pee in public, okay? Because that was a charge, because that is somebody's job, and she was not supposed to do that, no matter the pressure or what. She was not being, she was not a thief and stuff like that, so she was not supposed to do what she did. So that's it. Thank you. If you love this content, I want you to subscribe to the channel and share this so that we get insights like this frequently. Peace out.